Alright, I'm sure a lot of you have heard of this company called Verilux, the healthy lighting company. This is a really cool company, and I've been following them for a while on Instagram, and they reached out to me and said, hey, how about we send you one of our products and you can unbox it? And I said, absolutely. You can get a 20% discount on any Verilux item that you order by using the code BROOKS, BROOKS, just like it says down there. Here we are, ready to unbox, and I'm just knocking everything down because that's what you do during an unboxing video. To get the unboxing knife, it's our next step. All right, so that's not an unboxing knife. This is an unboxing knife. I don't even know if this thing's sharp, so it may not work, but you know what? It's not. Which is probably better for me because I'm not the most careful person in the world. I'm what they call clumsy. Right now, Verilux is thinking, oh my God, we should not have sent him this. He's going to hurt himself. No, I'm just kidding. Verilux, I'm very, very careful. Don't worry. Oh, that's the sharp side. We're going to forego the knife and just muscle this thing open because that's what you do. You know? Ooh, look at that. There we go. Ooh, that's cool. Look at it. You want it to dance? You can do that. It can go forward and backwards. It can just whip all the way around. We also got some nunchucks. You're right, it's the stand. They even coated it with letters for people like me who are complete idiots. Isn't that nice? You are our sunshine. Well, you know, Verilux, you're about to become my sunshine. The instructions. A lot of you are thinking right now, wait a second, Brooks, you're a guy. Don't guys not read instructions? It's not a male-female thing. It's just, are you responsible or not? And I'm not, so I'm not gonna read those. I'm gonna read the instructions. I gotta say, this is like really sturdy. I wasn't sure exactly how this is gonna feel, if it was gonna be just kind of a cheaper plastic feel, but no. It's got a nice, heavy-duty, lightweight metal feel. And that's the best kind of music, lightweight metal. I love how the only requirement to put this together is for you to know your alphabet. Not even the whole alphabet, just the first few letters. That plugs in there, that plugs in there. And now we have the light of Verilux SmartLight. What's up, Freddie? I just realized these were, touch sensitive, so you could actually just turn it on by grazing your finger lightly over that. How cool. And you can dim the light. You can make it brighter. Oh my gosh, that is so cool. You can change like the temperature of the light. You got this bluer light, a little bit warmer, a little bit warmer. Oh my gosh, that is cool. I really like this light. Not only is it super, super easy to set up, it's got these really cool touch controls with 5 different light settings where you can increase, the level of light. It's got different temperature controls. So I don't even have the light on right now, so let me show you what it looks like when it's on. Ooh, that's nice. It's a very soft light. It's not harsh. You can see there's not a ton of shadows in here. And of course you can turn the amount of light up. A little bit more dramatic. Yes. Even more dramatic. Do we have another level of yes. The dramatics go all the way to the max, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, they have one more level. This is if you're getting interrogated. No matter what, degree you have, intensity level, you also have different temperature levels. So we have a little bit warmer, we have nice and warm. The bulb itself, there's no heat coming off of the bulb, which is another really nice thing. Controls here, they're so sleek. I love this, and it's just this easy little touchpad here. So we can go intensity level up, a little higher, higher. Oh my goodness, full dramatics, I like that. We can also go back down, depending on how you're feeling. And of course the temperature controls, we have this wider bluish light, a little bit warmer and even warmer. And the wonderful thing is, no matter what you do, even if you turn it off and back on, there's no annoying click, and there's a very substantial lack of buzzing. One thing I hate about lamps, and the reason I don't have lamps around this desk, is my ears are so sensitive, and even the lowest wattage of bulb, I hear this annoying incessant buzzing, and it just drives me crazy. This one, there's nothing. I love that. You can hear my dishwasher in the background, but there's no sound coming from this lamp. Verilux, nicely done. Here is without the light. Oh, I just look so much more tired. I'm not even frowning when I turn the light off. That's just how I look with the light off. So, how are you going to get 20% off your order of any Verilux product? Well, you are going to go to Verilux.com. You're going to find whatever sort of light you want to buy. You're going to enter the code Brooks, B-R-O-O-K-S. You are going to be able to draw and write and do all of your 1-minute remakes or however you want to spend your time with really good light. An amazing product that's not only sleek and wonderful to look at, but it's also highly functional and good for our mental health. Thank you, Verilux. You're cool. You're cool. That should be your catchphrase, Verilux. We're cool. We're cool. We're cool.